Hi everyone, it's Sarah at the library, and I'm going to show you how to fold an origami crane today. Okay, so we're going to start with a piece of origami paper. You're going to put it colored side up and flip it diagonally to the corner. The better you have it lined up, the better your crane will end up looking at the end. So you're going to make a crease, so it's like a triangle. Same thing, and flip it to the other corner. Make that crease again. So now you've kind of got an X that's going to the creases of your paper. Now I'm going to flip it colored side down and flip it this way like a rectangle. Good crease on there. Same thing. Okay, so now you've got lots of lines on your paper. What you're going to do is tuck some of those in, kind of make it into a diamond shape. And it's opening at the bottom. Press those down again. Okay, you're going to flip up the corner. We're going to go kind of for a kite shape. Put that in that way. Same thing on the other side. So you've got a little kite in the middle. You're going to flip your paper over and do the same thing again. So you've got a little kite. Now what we're going to do is open those back up again. And you're going to just make a crease with the top point and bring that down. So it's kind of in line with the top right here. Just make a crease, flip it over, crease it again. Here's where it starts getting a little trickier. Okay, you're going to open up the bottom part along those creases. And you're going to tuck the corners in for a long skinny diamond. Okay, flip it over. Same thing on the other side. Just open that up. So you've got kind of a long skinny diamond, and on the top, if you open it, you should still have that point on the inside. Okay, so with the bottom pieces, you're going to tuck them in, make it even skinnier. It's going to look like this. You're going to do the same thing on the opposite side again. Flip it over. Okay, so you still should have the point in the top there, and these are going to be kind of look like long skinny legs at the bottom. And you're just going to want to make a little crease, bend those backwards and forwards. I'm going to open this part up, and you're going to kind of flip this crease so it's going the other direction, this way. So you've got your tail there. Same thing the other way. Just flip it open. And to make the head of the crane, you're just going to bend this part down. Fold that. So you're almost there. And all you have to do is fold down the wings. And you're done. I promise you'll get really good at this by the time you do 2 or 3.